This is a short video because it's mainly showing the places that you can find things that are grouped together based on certain aspects of photos you've taken. A lot of them are automatically filed, and some of this is going to blow you away, but so let's go through them and look at the photos and the icons list. Starting out, open your app, find your Photos app, and then tap on it, and it'll go to albums with big bold word albums at the top. But it may not be that way for you because maybe you were exploring another photo, looking for a picture of something to send somebody, what have you. And remember, wherever you leave off in an app, it stays there. It doesn't snap back to the beginning. So you have to do that manually. If it looks like this, use the top arrow, that's the back arrow. That's every place in all the apps that Apple makes. It's a standard back button, so that you can memorize. And you may have been looking at something else and see the word albums at the top, but it's also got the little back button there. So tap on that, and you want to end up at this screen again with albums, big bold albums at the top. This is where you should be. So once you're there, you scroll up so you can see what's below. So why is this important? It gives you access to everything on your phone related to photos. So recents, that's every photo you've ever taken. If you ever want to go back in time, just open that album and scroll to the back, the top, and you'll see all the photos you've ever taken. Favorites, those are photos that you have taken and then press the little heart icon, and then it's automatically filed into favorites. All of your albums, when you tap on the all, don't do that now because we're going to be moving down the list and then you can't get there if you go off on this tangent. But you'll see all of your albums, all of your shared albums. Very handy if you go to a party or a dinner party or something. You've taken pictures, you might want to share those with everybody that was at the event. Or travel photos that you've taken, so any number of things, whatever you want to share with others. You put them in a shared album, you provide with a link, and then you can send that link and people tap on it and automatically go to your shared albums. And a large collection of automatically filed items. Okay, this is huge. People and places. Your phone starts identifying people based on what it thinks is a person that you've taken a number of photos of. They all seem to be similar, so they group them together. Sometimes you have to go through and decide that maybe it misread somebody or they didn't include somebody, so you can add and subtract if you want to take the time to do that. It's a very cool thing to do. Places, if you're looking for a picture you took someplace in Greece, you can go to the map where it shows all the photos you've taken all over the world. Tap on Greece and you'll see all of the photos you've taken in Greece, and then you can narrow down to that one you were looking for. Again, these are all automatically placed. You don't have to do any of this. Videos, every video you've ever taken will be in videos. Every selfie you've taken will be in the selfie department. Live photos, portrait photos, long exposures, panoramas, time-lapse, slow-mo, cinematic, burst, screenshots, screen recordings, animated and raw. Those are all automatically done. One more little thing. Imports, duplicates, hidden, and recently deleted. Imports show the ones that you've imported from somewhere. Duplicates, it's a new addition to help you decide if you want to keep all the duplicates. Sometimes we take this 2 or 3 pictures of the same thing and it might not be appropriate to keep them all. You can automatically get rid of them. Hidden photos, that's if you've taken pictures of, I don't know, prescriptions or something you want to have the name, you can hide those so that they're not coming up in other things that you're showing other people. Recently deleted, boy, is that a handy deal. You delete photos and they'll stay in this little section for 30 days. And each day it deletes the oldest ones. So anytime you find that you've accidentally deleted something you wanted to keep, go to recently deleted. It's at the bottom of this long list, and there it'll be, unless it's been 30 days. Okay, replay, learn, and share with others. Just keep it fun.